क्या काम करते थे आप? एलडीसी थे, पानी वाले थे, चपरासी थे, चौकीदार थे, क्या थे? हैं?
वॉचमैन।
वॉचमैन। बताइए, वॉचमैन कब से कुशल हो जाएगा? आप इतना बता दीजिए, इतना ही केस है बस आपका। दैट एग्जीक्यूटिव इंजीनियर अंडर सम एरोनियस इंप्रेशन granted you classification as kushal, that will not entitle you to that classification because you are a watchman and watchman is a kushal. So they have corrected that order. This is the gist of the matter. लिखिएगा, this petition is filed being aggrieved of.
आइडेंटिकल पिटीशन बंच डिसाइड हुई थी लॉर्ड्स में।
गलत कर दिया होगा हमने तो, हमारा तो यही ऑर्डर होगा कि आपका जो क्लासिफिकेशन है अगर वो गलत है तो दे हैव अ राइट टू, आपकी रिकवरी नहीं होगी, बस इतना कह देंगे हम, क्योंकि एग्जीक्यूटिव इंजीनियर साहब से रिकवरी हो जाएगी जिन्होंने गलती की है। This order is, this petition is filed being aggrieved of, is filed by the petitioners who was working as Chowkidar in the Water Resources Department under the executive engineer, Upper Purva Nehar Division, Rewa, Mansagar, Rewa, whereby wide order annexure P5 dated 30/9/2019, 30/7/2019. Respondents have undertaken exercise of correction of pay fixation of the petitioner in terms of GAD circular dated 7/10/2016 on the ground that petitioners were appointed on different dates as a chowkidar, which is an unskilled laborer. Full stop. They were granted pay scale of skilled laborer, and that erroneous pay fixation and grant of pay is sought to be corrected by the impugned order. Next para. When this court wanted to know from the petitioner's counsel that when were the petitioners classified as skilled laborer, or in the alternative to show that petitioners were entitled to be classified as skilled laborers, it is fairly admitted that by virtue of their initial engagement as a chowkidar oblique watchman, they are not entitled to be classified as a skilled laborer. In view of such facts, correction of pay fixation in terms of GAD circular dated 7/10/2016 cannot be faulted with. Next para. However, concerned executive engineer who was responsible for making erroneous pay fixation will be responsible for such erroneous pay fixation, and departmental inquiry oblique recovery may be issued against the said executive engineer rather than making any recovery from the petitioner. Therefore, recovery, if any, is hereby quashed. Full stop. Respondent state will be free to recover it from the concerned executive engineer who had erroneously made pay fixation. Full stop. However, revised pay fixation is upheld